Today promises to be another, just what we need, another really hot day. So on these really hot days, there's only one way I know to deal with it. Get up early, get all the yard work done, drink extra coffee, maybe iced coffee, and just get out on the open road early. And that's what our plan is today, is get out on the open road early. I just think I'll have my coffee and oogle the R1 here. Oogle Granny's flowers. And of course, if I forget to feed the fish, I'll be in big trouble. Oh, it's a thing of beauty just checking out the R1 while we feed the fish. What could be more fun? A good farmer always waters his plants before he goes out on a motorcycle ride. It's just good farming. Excellent farming. I had to get a picture of this morning. It's Karen's first ripe tomato. It's the first ripe tomato of the year. I noticed yesterday on Alan Millyard's channel, right in the middle of making cams for his bike, he's got birds, he's feeding the birds. What a great, I wonder if he stole that from me. Time for one final check of the weather, and it has supposed to be, once again, thunderstorms by noon. So obviously the way we deal with this is get out nice and early. Earlier the better. Well, what is that going to be today? Sausage and peppers.
Sausage, peppers, and onions.
While I'm out riding, this is going to be cooking in a crock pot. When I get back, I'll be ready to eat.
Okay.
And today's harvest of fresh lettuce to go with supper. Every day we're harvesting and eating fresh vegetables. So the crock pot is on. The weather is thunderstorms by noon, but this is kind of a fake thing. We've been hearing that every day. I'm out of here. I don't know, but I think that's one of the best sounds in motorcycling. Well, the rain has been on and off for the whole ride, mostly on, but not slowing all right so far. At this temperature, it doesn't even matter if you're wet. And it's not really pouring, but it's
certainly raining just enough. Our roads get a little slippery, so you gotta really be careful. That's a good thing we got plenty of wax on the bike. One thing I found out about motorcycles, they don't melt in the rain. I was hoping the sun would come out at some point today, but it doesn't look like it's going to happen. We get home, we'll have a little bit of work to clean up the bike. And at the temperature it is now, it doesn't even matter if you get wet. Still some pretty nasty looking clouds up there. It's on and off rain. The roads are wet, but we're still having a good time because it's so hot it doesn't even matter. have some light rain, there's still some nice scenery. Look at the lilies out in the pond. Oh my God. Hey baby, I hope you have some hot coffee for your wet husband. Oh, it's raining like crazy up there. No, nothing here, nothing on the ride home. It's coming, baby. Look at the clouds. Look at this. Yes, I will. We have errands to do this afternoon, so what I will, it's very important to me, when I get home like this and the bike is wet, I like to take compressed air and just blow as much of it off. I don't want any water just staying in there. And when I get back from my errands, I'll give this a quick coat of wax. So I got to put the new riding gear, the Joe Rocket riding gear, to the test the mesh. Of course, it's coming up on 90 degrees, so being wet, not a problem. But in the time I took the ride home on Route 80, it's dry. And actually, the bike's almost totally dry. And I think for me, once in a while, I do enjoy riding in a couple of raindrops just to make sure I haven't lost my wet weather riding skills. Because every once in a while, of course, you do get trapped in the rain. That's part of motorcycling. You think these fish care if I got trapped in the rain? They don't care. To be honest, I don't care. But it is time for some coffee with Karen and get out of these clothes. Oh my God, it's steaming, it's bubbling.
It's finished.
Oh, stir it up, baby. Wow. I can't wait for supper time.
Just to add a little insult to injury, the sun is coming out. Not really. If it played out like this, well, I probably wouldn't go if it was this cloudy. It does look like we're going to get big thunder showers this afternoon. Maybe the weatherman outsmarted me today. And the groundhog. By the way, before I finish the video, at the end of this, I'm going to put on one other little thing that I think is significant. Anyway, the radar detector, of course, always useful. The R1, always fun to ride, even in the rain, it's fun to ride. The COVID workers, the healthcare workers, thank you very much, guys. Wow, can never say enough about how this is. And it looks like we have this like little spike or surge. They're shutting things down again. Who the hell knows where this is all going? Anyway, I do hope you enjoy watching the video. Hope you enjoy riding along with us on the various bikes in our collection. And they're all good, they're all different, they're all fun. They all stir up a different passion. So I hope you're out riding today, and I hope it doesn't rain on your parade. And thanks for watching.
So before I end the video, there's one little thing I wanted to, and I notice most motorcycle people don't really care about this, but I think it is significant. Karen's lettuce, this is the replant, because the groundhog got all the lettuce. We caught one groundhog. We did not catch the second one. But here's what happened. We got this thing up here. We have two of them now. From Clear Earth. We have that one. Clear Earth. I hope I'm saying it right. Clean Earth. Clean Earth. Anyway, with the combination of those two things, what's happened is we haven't seen a single animal in the back here. And we used to see squirrels and all kind of things. Those things really do look like they worked, but again, the test is going to be if we lose this again, we're going to go back to using a Have-A-Heart trap. And thanks to all the people that contributed information, people that know more about this stuff than I do, which is basically everybody in the world.